Hi, welcome back. Another important session in Excel. From this session onwards, I'm going to teach you the formats of numbers actually. So in this session specifically, we're going to see general and number format in Excel. Okay. So if you'd like to learn more things in Excel, please subscribe my channel, Rise Your Skills. And along with that, you have a benefit of learning more things in this channel. So what is the basic difference between general and number format? Okay, we'll check this in Excel. Okay, don't worry about this example. So the first thing I would like to explain here, okay, if you see this, okay, let's come here. So by default, this is the section for number formatting actually. Okay, we have a different methods. Okay, so by default, it is in general format. And next, immediately you can able to find a number format. So I would like to explain you what is the basic difference between the general and number format. Okay, let's try to type some number here. Okay, so I'm putting some decimals. I'm just typing like this. Okay, so by default, whenever you open an Excel, so it is in general format, right? So what happened to this? It is not accepted any decimals for this. Okay, so let's try to put it one more time. And after that, I'm just putting, okay, let's check this. What happened? It is got changed to some other scientific calculation. So general format, it is not going to accept all formats. Okay, it's very specific, certain length and a certain length of numbers it will be accepted. After decimals also, you cannot able to control in general format. What is the basic difference? So you cannot able to control after decimals, after certain extent, how to display the number actually. Okay, let me show you. Okay, here, if you come here, this is the button, you can able to find whatever the drop down. For example, if you come here, so whatever the drop down, so all these are the different formats, right? Okay. So if I try to select, I can able to select this one as a number. For example, if I selected this one as a number, so now what happened? So after decimals, okay, it is showing something else. Okay. So when I go back to the general format, it is again finding difficulty to show the numbers. It is showing in scientific format. Let's try to do some more examples. Okay. So now it is coming into exponential. Let's put the number format. Now you can able to see this after decimals. So what is the basic between general and number format? That also I will explain you. 1 second. Let's don't keep big number. Let's try to keep this number like this, something like this. And after that, okay. So this is also finding difficulty. Okay. It is get corrected after two decimals. Okay. If I select this cell, actually, basically. Okay. Let's do one thing. Let's try to zoom this, zoom it back. Okay. So let me try to show you something else here. If you come here, number format, if I select this as a general, okay, I cannot able to control my decimals. The basic thing is that I cannot able to control my decimal part. See, I'm not able to see the decimal part here. Okay, but whereas if I come to the number format, okay, currently it is in two decimals, so that's why it is showing in two decimals. Let's try to, so I can able to increase or decrease my decimal part. For example, if I am just trying to increase like this, okay, after decimal, uh, these many points, it can able to show this. Now you can able to see this, it's in number format. Let's try to put the same thing in general format. After decimals, you cannot able to see, right? So let's try to do one thing. Let's try to, after decimal, I'm just typing like this. So it is restricted to 2 decimals by default, right? So if we come here, whereas I can able to increase it or decrease it. Let's try to increase. See now how the number is increasing. Let's put it. Okay, that is the basic advantage of that is the basic difference between general. Okay, if you select the same thing for general format, you don't have decimals. Okay, let's try to put like this 3 4 3 4 3, or else let's just do one thing 1 2 3. Okay, just simply 2 1 2 1. I don't want to give. So certain extent it is accepting. Okay, if I go further like this, okay, let's try to enter. It will not accept. Okay, some digits only it is accepting. If you come here, so basically this is the reason. Okay, general. If I would like to select it to custom, okay, if I wanted to select like this custom part will work. Okay, what is this custom part? Also, we're going to see that is different story. Okay, so now this is accepting like this. For example, if I choose number, I have to specify how many decimals I would like to show. See, 2 1 2 1, it is increasing. 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So still these many digits are there. So now I can able to see the full number. This is the basic difference. Whereas if I select the same thing to general, it will be restricted to certain digits. That is the basic difference between this one and this one. Okay. Now, if you see in this example, okay, we have a player name. Name of the sport is cricket. Number of the matches, number of runs scored this much, and this one is like career best in percentage. For example, if I would like to select this one, okay, so if I select this number, so since it is 2 digits, if I want, I can able to increase it. So either negative value or positive value. That's what it is showing. Okay. Let's increase. Let's increase. Let's check. See how it is got increased. Okay. If you would like to curtail this one, for example, if the same thing in general format, you cannot able to control the digits here. That's the basic difference. Okay. Otherwise, it is certain extent it will be converted into your general format will be converted into the scientific format. Okay, that is also problem. So it's always numbers. If it is in number format, it's good to go. If I want 2 digits, this is fine. If I would like to increase and decrease also, I can able to do here. This is shortcut. See, so I can able to increase, right? So this is this side. If I would like to decrease, I can able to decrease. Okay. After point, you cannot able to do it. Again, if you want to increase, you can able to increment and decrement. Okay. Now you understood what is the basic difference between general and number. Let's try to check some other formats in the upcoming session. If you like this video, please like it and please subscribe my channels to get more inputs like this.